Okay, good morning. Welcome to Kuching. First full day in Malaysia. Just gonna have breakfast and then gonna head across the airport to pick my mum up because she's arriving this morning, hopefully not too late, but her flight has apparently been delayed due to a technical issue, so we'll see when she gets in. But yeah, just gonna get breakfast first. Okay, so just waiting for mum here at the airport. Hopefully she comes out soon, because she might not, it's pretty busy. Okay, so I didn't film anything at the airport just because we had to sort stuff out, but picked mum up back at the hotel, got to check out and then head into the city at about 1 o'clock, so very soon. So staying there, that's the view that we have at the front. We've got the cat monument. Okay, so we've arrived in Kuching, actually the city, and yeah, it's different to what I remember. My word, it's humid. It's so humid, but it's as beautiful as I remember.
The sun's gone.
You can see that.
Sun's gone.
Is it? Hey, so we've just had some, what is it, pretty good late lunch? Late lunch?
Very late.
Just some spring rolls. Mum had a laksa. We needed somewhere to stop because of the rain, which is now, as you can see, cleared. Pretty much back to blue skies, even though those blue skies didn't even disappear. But now we're just heading back to our accommodation to check in, and then we'll see what we get up to. I told you. And the rain has begun. Just a bit of rain. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. Thanks for joining me for today. Today was a pretty chill day. Just had to pick Mum up and we just explored the city, so it's probably quite disjointed, this vlog. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we get to, I think we're planning to see the orangutans at Semenggok Wildlife Park, so it should be pretty good, maybe a bit busy. And I don't know, tomorrow we might go to a food court, which is like an outdoor food market type thing, and might do that for, I don't know, dinner probably, depending on how the day goes. But yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. See ya. What do I do? What?
Yeah, that button.
That's a bell.
That's not.
It is.
That's not.